Do you want to know how to share a page from Notion? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, go ahead and open your preferred web browser, then on the search bar, type in notion.com. Then you'll see a login option. Tap on login, then give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the screen, you're gonna see recently visited option where you'll see recent pages. Just go ahead and open it, or you can simply tap on search and look for the page that you want to share. I'm gonna open this one. Then on the top right corner of the screen, you're gonna see share option. Tap on it, where you can see you can add the email of the person that you want to share it to, or you can also publish it. Another way to go is to copy link, so you're gonna have to tap on three-dot menu. Once you do that, you're gonna see copy link option right below undo. Just go ahead and copy the link and share it from other apps. And guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.